Chris, tell us what have you
Well,
discovered?
the first thing, well, no, just on the setting out over here, our first reference to Moss.
Yes, Moss. Right. So my thread. I don't know. I think I probably talked about this in the episode. One of the firsts was this was the first railway built using CAD, using total station design. At Moss, it was developed by a couple of road units that were building motorways. I think one of them was County Durham. The other one was probably North Yorkshire. I think it's County Durham, North Yorkshire. Moss. Might be wrong. Moss nerds.
Let's set the record straight here. So this rare picture from the instruction manual from the I think the original package, or certainly one of the early versions of MOS. MOS, by the way, stands for Modelling of Surfaces with Strings. More on that in just a second. You can see the three names of the developers of the software. Three civil engineers working not for the road design units, but for the county councils themselves. So Gordon Crane from Durham County Council, Jeff Hulton from West Sussex County Council, and Eric Malcolmson from Northamptonshire County Council. And these three chaps, well, they'd been meeting at, an evening of the Computer Science Society in Maidstone, Kent, in 1970. So 5 years before this, the software was kind of formally launched. They discussed what they wanted to do, which was use strings to design the alignment of the road, not just based on cross sections flinging around. And someone drew. This is according to Gordon. Someone drew on a beer mat what they actually wanted the software package to be. That was the first specification, and this then became MOS, which, fun enough, then traces a direct lineage from that beer mat in 1970 to the design software that I use today, Design Railways. Isn't it a funny world? Anyway, it was launched in January 1975, and the rest is history.
But MOS became a software package called MX, which was still being used to design railways and possibly still is being used to design railways in the UK. MX was kind of absorbed into with another couple of rail packages. Essentially, the tool we have now, which is called Bentley Railtrack, incorporated quite a lot of MX into its base code, which is why it's such a mess of a software package. It's awful. But it owes its roots to the same stuff that's being used to design the Self-Adapt version. So there we are.